Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to hide most searched keywords Alibaba application on computer. So how to hide most searched keywords Alibaba application on computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Alibaba application on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Alibaba. Just move the cursor to the top right of the screen. There are many options. Tap this profile icon. Here a scrolling menu will appear like this. And then tap the account menu. Many menu options will appear like this. Tap the privacy settings menu. Here you are already in the privacy menu. There are many menus. In the most searched keywords section, tap Hide. After finishing scrolling down, and tap Save. This feature functions to help maintain privacy, protect business strategies, and prevent suppliers or competitors from knowing your search needs and interests. So that's it, tutorial how to hide most searched keywords Alibaba application on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.